Okay, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today we're going to be reacting to sargi gets chased with a chainsaw. We want to see the full video. Make sure to smack that like button and go to see the full video on sargi's channel. Here we go.
Bro, what is that thing anyways? Look, it's on a rope on a stick. Look at that. The lake, I don't know. Hey, maybe that came from the other side of the lake. I know, like, whoever's in there, he's trying to mess with us. I don't like that at all. What if we're trying to sleep and he comes back when we're sleeping and takes our stuff?
Well, we need to put all our stuff inside the tent.
Oh,
why is that in the fucking water, man?
I know, I don't get it. Bro, you know it's really weird?
What?
Like, I know it's just a coincidence.
Cold. Right, so I took Mo's camera. I'm not really sure how he can sleep. First off, because it's cold. Second off, because we're in the middle of nowhere and I'm hearing shit. So, he's been passed out for a while now. This is all we have. Book bags. He's not even using his book bag for a pillow. He's just kind of chilling there. What if the light will wake him up? No? Okay. Yeah, guys, so we're, I'm fixing to lay down and go to sleep because I'm mentally exhausted right now from just staying up, so Mo's got the right idea here.
So woke up. What the fuck was that? I know. We woke up to the sound of something out there.
Let's go out there. We don't know what that was.
We just... It sounded like somebody's out here. I was asleep. CJ woke me up. He's like, yo, some noises, and I heard a footstep. More than one footstep, actually. Dude, I don't know, man. There's nothing out here. It could be haunted, bro. It could be like something demonic.
It could, but man, I'm telling you, it sounded like footsteps.
Hello? I was actually having a good dream.
Hopefully it was better than what we're going through right now.
Yeah, definitely. Guys, we've been waiting out here in the dark. No lights on because we've literally... Anytime we turn off these damn cameras, we hear, like, noises and footsteps in the forest. This is, like, really creepy. I just want to sleep. I'm actually so tired.
Fuck.
What?
What the fuck was that noise?
I don't know. But try to stay quiet. We're still out here standing in the dark, you guys. It's much later into the night. None of us have been able to sleep after hearing those weird footsteps. It sounds so creepy, man. Yeah, it was just creepy. It sounded like there was somebody out in the forest, but I'm sitting here by the door just in case.
Right now,
It is freezing, but I'm gonna sit here by the door just in case anybody comes.
All I hear is footsteps, dude. That's all I fucking hear.
Footsteps, gunshots, and just some weird noises. But yo,
I'm so creeped out right now.
It's fucking cold. It's so freaking cold. Like,
turn your fucking light off. What the fuck is that, Mel? Fuck. What the fuck is that?
Turn your light off, dude. It won't turn off.
What the fuck is that?
What the fuck, bro? The fuck, bro?
Okay, let's go back.
Dude, I don't know, man. There's nothing out. There's some footsteps in the forest. We're still out here standing in the dark, you guys. There's somebody with a chainsaw. What the hell is that?
What the hell is that, dude?
There was someone with a chainsaw. Grab me back. Really creepy. I just want to sleep. I'm actually so tired.
Fuck.
What? It's much later into the night. None of us have been able to sleep after hearing those weird footsteps. It sounds so creepy, man. Yeah, it was just creepy. It sounded like there was somebody out in the forest. But I'm sitting here by the door just in case.
Right now,
It is freezing, but I'm gonna sit here by the door just in case anybody comes.
All I hear is footsteps, dude. That's all I fucking hear.
Footsteps, gunshots, and just some weird noises. But yo,
I'm so creeped out right now.
It's fucking cold. It's so freaking cold. Like,
turn your fucking light off.
What the fuck is that, Mel? Fuck. What the fuck is that? Turn your light off, dude. Dude, it won't turn off. What the fuck is that? What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, fuck! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go! These fucking thorns are... There was somebody with a fucking chainsaw. I told you earlier. There was someone with a chainsaw. Grab me back, grab me back, grab me back. Quick, get up, get up, get up. Get. There was somebody with a chainsaw. What the hell is that? What the hell is that, dude? Is that barbed wire? I was in there before. Keep going, just keep going. There's somebody with a fucking chainsaw. Just keep going. Come on. My camera shut off as I fell up the hill. Holy shit. What the fuck, man? We've been running for a while. There was a fucking guy with a chainsaw. There's a fucking chainsaw. That looked like a chainsaw and that sounded like a chainsaw. I feel what the fuck, man? Let's just get out of here. Let's get the fuck out of here. Please. We're getting the fuck out of here. Please.
Okay, folks, that's gonna be it for my reaction. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and peace out.